Hi everyone, this is Gina. Look at what I'm holding in my hand. Can you guess what it is used for? Okay, let me tell you, it's a heart-shaped wine rack. It's especially suitable as a gift for a ritual sense, right? So today I'll teach you how to make this special gift by yourself. If you want to learn more, follow us and let's go. First, what we need is paint, frosted paper, a piece of wooden board. After getting ready, we need to open up the model software to make a simple heart-shaped model. Open the programming software and set up the pace. You need to set these places, the end mirrors, the don't cut steps, and so on. Third, let's start carving. This time I choose the 6mm meeting cutter. Setting the origin. Setting the tool. Find the programming file and start up. After all the wooden boards are carved, we need to color it and wait for it to dry. Finally, fix the wooden board with blocks. A very simple and creative gift is completed. If you want to try, we have shared the files in our Facebook groups. Please follow us and make it by yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.